Would you love to turn off text-to-speech on your iPhone so that each time you are on a web page, maybe you're just browsing the internet and you stumble on any website, and now whatever you type on the website is automatically read out by your iPhone, and now you want to disable it like this, and then you come here, you select speak.
Strabismus is a disorder in which both eyes.
Now, if you want to turn this off, this video is going to walk you through how to do this. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off text-to-speech on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app on your iPhone, you want to scroll down until you get to accessibility and then select that. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down under vision and click on spoken content. Now, once you selected spoken content, locate speak selection and then disable it. Then if you also want to disable split screen, where you swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen to hear the content of your screen, disable this as well. So once you disable speak selection and speak screen under spoken content, this is going to disable text-to-speech on your iPhone. So once you're done, you can now go back to your iPhone screen and there you're good to go. So that is basically how to disable or turn off text-to-speech on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.